If you're investing in property, a lot of people don't tell you this one because this actually applies when you sell it at the end. And if you've got any property spookers out there, they're definitely not going to tell you this one because it's going to make the investment look not as attractive. So this came up because yesterday I was helping a client do some shopping in terms of property up at the Central Coast. Firstly, the Central Coast market is very different to Sydney. It is a lot slower. I did notice properties were there for 8 to 10 weeks, asking ridiculous prices, and we had barely 1 or 2 groups through the properties. So definitely looks like a big disconnect. We have vendors asking for a lot, purchasers are not willing to pay at this moment, and there seems to be a bit of a stalemate. So this actually came about because I was talking to a young couple there that owned multiple properties. They were actually looking to buy their principal place of residence and looking to sell one. What they didn't realize is the depreciation charge is actually added back when you sell an investment property. So let's break this down. If you buy an investment property and say claim $10,000 per year in depreciation and you sell it after year 10, you effectively claimed $100,000 worth of depreciation. It will lower your taxable income and you would have got some tax back through the years. But now you decide to sell that property and you make a gain. Now that you've made that gain, you actually have to add back all the depreciation that you've claimed over the years. So this is where a lot of people get caught out. A lot of accountants actually miss this one, but it's actually pretty easy for the ATO to work out what the add back is. In your tax return over the years, there's actually a specific depreciation line that the accountant or yourself will need to complete each year. So for the ATO to go back and to work out how much you've claimed over the years is pretty simple. So when you do your capital gains tax calculation, at the end of it, when you're working out how much tax you have to pay on your gain, make sure you add back the depreciation. Otherwise the ATO will come back, they will charge you penalties and interest